clips are basically useless. It's just of me attempting to make a window. Okay, let me explain. Basically, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to be painting one of these walls green because I feel like it. And this is inspired by AGJitters, so definitely go check that video out if you haven't seen it. And I'll try to explain the best as I can what I'm doing. I don't know.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time, one more time.
So I wanted to cover one of the walls with CDs, so I'm taking some holographic or silvery paper to make some CDs. At first I was punching the circles with a paper punch, but the circles ended up being too big, so I had to use a stencil and make them smaller. And then just take a regular hole punch and punch a circle in the middle. phone died, and while I was waiting for it to recharge, I printed out some manga panels in a smaller size, and I'm going to be making a manga wall. So apparently I did not print nearly enough and my printer stopped working, so we have more of a manga collage.
Sometimes I get a little greenish shade of jealousy. In truth, it's how I know that you're the one for me. And when you're seeing red, come over, we can talk it through. I'll throw a warmer shade on your colder moods, yeah. Drip, drip in the canvas frame. Take a second to appreciate the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I wanna love ya. Baby, let the colors bleed. We don't need to keep it.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those. Not worry about your likes, cause I'm trying to get the follows. I'm living with no filter. What you see, what you get from me.